Ever wondered why some people seem to have their finances under control while others struggle? The secret often lies in setting and achieving financial goals. Why are financial goals important? They provide a roadmap to your financial success. Think of them as the GPS guiding your journey towards financial freedom. Without clear, defined goals, it's easy to lose direction and end up in a financial mess. Now, onto the basics of setting financial goals. It's both an art and a science. The art lies in dreaming big and identifying what you really want, while the science is in making those dreams achievable. Financial goals can be short-term, like saving for a holiday, or long-term, like planning for retirement. Balancing both types of goals can be challenging, but it's essential to ensure a healthy financial future. Ever heard of SMART goals? It's an acronym that stands for Specific, Measurable, Achievable, Relevant, and Time-Bound. SMART goals are a powerful tool to ensure your financial goals are clear, realistic, and within reach. With so many potential financial goals, it's crucial to prioritize and create a goal hierarchy. This means identifying which goals are most important to you and focusing your efforts accordingly. Remember, setting goals isn't just about writing them down. It's also about tracking your progress and adjusting your goals as necessary. Life is unpredictable, and your financial goals should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. To sum up, setting financial goals is the first step towards financial success. Remember the importance of balancing short-term and long-term goals. Use the SMART method, prioritize your goals, and be sure to track your progress. Here on The Update, we're dedicated to guiding you on your journey towards financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with setting clear, achievable financial goals. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep planning, and keep achieving.